Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise our fifth chapter, that is the acid, base, and salt. What do you mean by acid? The acid term comes from the acidus. Acidus means sour. Vinegar, lemon juice, right? These are the sour in taste. That's why it is known as acids. Actually, look over here, bases. Bases are bitter, B for bitter, B for bases. So bases are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. Washing soda, baking soda, detergent, they are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Actually, what is happening over here? Acids are the compounds. Look over here, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. In all these acids, you are observing that hydrogen is common. So the material which release hydrogen or hydrogen ions, H plus. The materials, when they dissolve in water, produce hydrogen ions are known as acids. Acids can be categorized on the basis of their properties and basis of their origin, their strength. Number one, mineral acids. The acids which obtain from the minerals from the earth and they are synthesized in the laboratory. Such kind of acids are known as mineral acids, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Right? Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Now, second one, organic acids. The acids which are present in living organisms. The acids which are present in living organisms known as organic acids. Lactic acid in the milk, curd, amino acids in the protein, tannic acid in the tea, acetic acid, vinegar, malic acid in the apple, tartaric acid, grapes, tamarind, citric acid in the citrus fruit, orange, lemon, amla, carbonic acid in our soft drink, cold drinks. Along with these acids, there are some another acids are also present in the organisms. A common acid that is known as vitamin C. Vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. All the citrus fruits are amla. These are source of vitamin A, vitamin C. Now, acids. Some acids can be dissolve in water and dissociate completely in water. They dissociate completely in water, so these are known as strong acids. Strong acids, all the mineral acids, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, HNO3, these are the strong acids. The organic acids, the acids which do not completely dissociate on dissolving in water are known as weak acids. Weak acids, example, all the organic acids. Now look one another point over here. If water present in acid less amount, then it is called as concentrate acid. If water present in higher amount, known as dilute acid. बच्चों, you must know how can we add the water. वाटर कैसे ऐड करेंगे, तो बात को सुने. अगर एसिड के अंदर पानी डालेंगे तो इट इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन और यहाँ पर हीट एकदम से रिलीज होगी, हमारा एपेटस वगैरह सब टूट जाएंगे. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल टेक वाटर. जितना पानी लेना है पहले से ले लेंगे, बाद में पानी नहीं डालेंगे. जितना पानी लेना है पहले से ले लेंगे. एंड नाउ एसिड, pour the acid स्लोली स्लोली, जिससे क्या होगा, हीट जैसे से रिलीज होती जाएगी, बाहर निकलती जाएगी, धीरे धीरे यहां पर हम लोग पानी डालेंगे। गॉट इट? दिस इज द वे ऑफ डाइल्यूशन। नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड। एसिड्स आर सावर इन टेस्ट, खट्टे होते हैं। दीज आर सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। दे may cause, strong acids may cause blisters. They turn blue litmus to red. Next one, the phenolphthalein do not show any color, but methyl orange के साथ में उसको पिंक कलर कर देंगे। Now before going to discuss bases, look some formula. Caustic soda NaOH, caustic potash KOH, baking soda NaHCO3, baking soda sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3, milk of magnesia MgOH whole twice, quicklime CaO, limestone calcium carbonate, scientific name, chemical name CaCO3, lime water CaOH2, CaOH2 lime water also known as slagged lime, चूने का पानी, बुझा हुआ चूना। Now washing soda Na2CO3. In most of the cases, except leave some exception, in most of the cases you are observing that they having OH ions. OH ions are known as hydroxyl ion or hydroxides. Hydroxyl ion or hydroxide. So these substances, when dissolved in water, release hydroxyl ions, hydroxide ions known as bases. The materials which release hydroxide ions or hydroxyl ions when dissolved in water are known as bases. Bases common properties: they are bitter in taste, they are soapy to touch, they are soluble in water, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. The strong bases may cause blisters. अगर strong acid होगा तो हमारी स्किन को ब्लिस्टर हो जाएंगे. They may cause harm to our skin. Now, like acids, the bases may be also strong or weak. If they dissociate completely, strong bases, NaOH, KOH, these are the strong bases. Weak bases, the bases which do not dissociate completely are known as weak bases. Weak bases, calcium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, these are some common examples of the weak bases. Right? So, and concentrate and dilute, the bases which having less amount of water and higher concentration known as concentrate. Higher amount of the water, क्या कहेंगे? These are the dilute bases. Now look one another point over here. What is difference between the alkalis and bases? Some of the bases, सब तो dissolve नहीं होंगे. Some of the bases can dissolve in water. Some of the bases can dissolve in water. The bases which can dissolve in water known as alkalis. The bases which can dissolve in water known as alkalis. The bases which do not dissolve in water, they are bases only. They do not alkali. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali. क्योंकि कुछ bases ऐसे भी होते हैं जो water में dissolve नहीं होते. हमारे पास में क्विकलाइम है, स्लैग्ड लाइम है. स्लैग्ड लाइम को तो हम क्या करते हैं हमारे यहाँ पर लाइम वाटर, दीवार को वाइट वॉश करने के लिए यूज कर लेते हैं। टू रिमूव एसिडिटी ऑफ द सॉइल वी एड क्विक लाइम चूना, हम मिट्टी के अंदर मिलाते हैं। तो सो इट इज यूज टू रिमूव एसिडिटी ऑफ द सॉइल। Now look to find out a material is whether acidic or basic in nature. We use some chemicals which change their color. The material which change their color to show which one is acidic or which one is basic. Such kind of material are known as indicators. They change their color. Indicators may be obtained from plants, animals in natural way. So these are known as natural indicators. Natural indicators, number one, litmus. Litmus is obtained from the lichen. You know, lichen, symbiotic organism. Lichen, alga and fungus. Lichen से litmus. Next one, China rose. China rose plants, China rose. Turmeric, simple. And it is yellow in color. Red cabbage, yellow in color, red in color. कलर देख लें। अब ये लिटमस को छोड़ दो फिलहाल। चाइना रोज, टर्मरिक एंड रेड कैबेज। चाइना रोज रेड पिंक, टर्मरिक येलो एंड देयर रेड कैबेज रेड। Their natural color in the acidic medium, but when they put into acid basic medium, their color changed. टर्मरिक बिकम्स रेड, सिंदूर जिससे बनाते हैं हम लोग बेस में। जैसे हम लोग अगर हल्दी लगी हो, हल्दी के ऊपर क्या डाल दो, डिटर्जेंट डाल दो, रेड कलर हो जाएगा। चाइना रोज, रेड कैबेज टर्न ग्रीन इन कलर। चाइना रोज ऑल्सो टर्न ग्रीन इन कलर, सो दे चेंज देयर कलर। नाउ लुक 3 indicators: litmus, फिनोल्फथलीन एंड मिथाइल ऑरेंज। मिथाइल ऑरेंज नाम से पता चल रहा है, ऑरेंज, इट इज ऑरेंज इन कलर नेचुरल वे इन दी बेसिक मीडियम, बट व्हेन पुट इनटू एसिडिक मीडियम इट चेंज टू रेड और पिंक। सेकंड वन, फिनोल्फथलीन, कलरलेस इन एसिडिक मीडियम, बट व्हेन इट पुट इनटू बेसिक मीडियम इट्स कलर चेंज पिंक। तो उल्टा हो गया यहाँ पर, इट इज natural in basic medium, it is natural in acidic medium, but change color in the, it shows change color in basic medium, it shows change color in acidic medium. Now litmus solution. litmus solution जब इसके अंदर पेपर डाल के रख देते हैं तो फिल्टर पेपर, now it is known as litmus paper. So litmus solution, litmus paper, whatever it is, look over here, changes in the acidic medium or basic medium. In acidic medium, blue litmus changed to red, but no change in case of the basic medium, because blue litmus changed to red, right, in acidic medium. In basic medium, red litmus to, yes, in basic medium red litmus कैसा हो जाएगा, नीला हो जाएगा। red litmus changed to blue, but there is no effect on the red litmus paper in acidic medium. Now look, what happens when two similar opposite parts fight with each other? Both of them die. They neutralize to each other effect. They neutralize to each other's effect. Yes, this is known as neutralization. Yes, in our chemistry also it occurs. Strong acid, you can take HCl. When it reacts with the strong base NaOH, strong acid, strong base, both of them they neutralize their effect. ultimately a new compound is formed which is known as salt. Salt, water and a lot of energy is lost. सिंपल सी बात है, एनर्जी तो लॉस्ट हो गई है. सो द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन, व्हेन व्हाट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन? व्हेन एन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड and when a strong acid and a strong base react to one another, they neutralize to effect of one another and produce salt and water and also liberate energy. Such kind of reactions known as neutralization reaction.